The devil's enigmatic figure that defies mortal comprehension. Let's indulge your feeble imagination, shall we? Navigating life's hazards with caution. The phrase "watch what you step in" serves as a reminder to be cautious and mindful of our actions and surroundings. It highlights the importance of being aware of potential dangers or pitfalls that may come our way. By paying attention to where we walk, both metaphorically and literally, we can avoid unnecessary troubles and complications. It encourages us to take responsibility for our choices and to think before we act, ensuring a smoother and safer journey through life. I'm Tira Way Diablo, listen up. Watch what you step in, they say. Well, isn't that just precious? How about this? Instead of tiptoeing around like a frightened little mouse, why don't you embrace the mess? Life is messy, my friend, and sometimes you gotta dive headfirst into the filth to come out on top. So, stop tiptoeing and start stomping your way through the challenges. Show the world that you're not afraid to get your hands dirty to make a statement. Watch out, world, because here I come, leaving my mark wherever I go. Watch, step, caution, awareness, pitfalls, dangers, choices, troubles, mindful, journey, mind your steps, navigating life's hazards with caution, mind your steps, navigating life's hazards, caution, tiptoeing around, frightened, little mouse, challenges, paying attention, unnecessary troubles, encourages our choices, responsibility, to think before we act. Thanks for watching.